cutie pies. How are you all? Good? Fine. So this week we do have a celebrations. Which celebration do we have? Remember? No? We have Pongal celebrations. Last year, if you remember, we have invited all the grandmas and grandpas and we have nicely celebrated Grandparents' Day and also Pongal celebrations. You remember? No? Let's have a glance how we have done here last year Pongal celebrations. Okay?
సంక్రాంతి వచ్చిందే తుమ్మెదా
సరదాలు తెచ్చిందే తుమ్మెదా
కొత్త ధాన్యాలతో కోడి పంజాలతో ఊరేగు పొంగుతుంటే
ఇంటింతా పేరంటం
ఊరంతా ఉల్లాసం కొత్త అల్లుళ్ళతో కొంటే మరదళ్ళతో పొంగే హేమంత సిరు
కరగల్లా విరిసిందే తుమ్మెదా ఓ తుమ్మెదా మురిపాల సంక్రాంతి ముంగిట్లోకొచ్చింది తుమ్మెదా ఓ తుమ్మెదా గొబ్బియల్లో గొబ్బియల్లో చలిమంట వెలుగుల్లో తుమ్మెదా ఓ తుమ్మెదా
సంక్రాంతి వచ్చిందే తుమ్మెదా
సరదాలు తెచ్చిందే తుమ్మెదా
కొత్త ధాన్యాలతో కోడి పంజాలతో ఊరేగు పొంగుతుంటే
ఇంటింతా పేరంటం
ఊరంతా ఉల్లాసం కొత్త అల్లుళ్ళతో కొంటే మరదళ్ళతో పొంగే హేమంత సిరు
So nice, right? How nicely we have enjoyed. So your Pongal activity is, I want boys to take newspaper and prepare kites. You can take your elder brother help or dada will help you. And girls, I want you to take a white paper and tell mama to draw a nice rangoli and color it. You can use sketch pens or you can use crayons, anything. Color nice rangoli, okay? And tell mama to record a video and share. And on festival day, all the boys should be busy with flying kites, okay? And girls, I want you to make rangoli in front of your house. When mama is making rangoli, you can help, okay? You can help by filling colors, all these things, and tell mama to record a video. And also your grandma and grandpas or your mama and dada will also do bogi pallu. Remember last year you have seen in the video, right? Yeah, that bogi pallu will be done for you this year too. So tell mommy and daddy when they are doing it, tell them to take a photo or a video and share it with me on the festival day. Fine? Okay. So shall we go with our academics now? So LKG kiddos, are you ready with your English book? Take out your English course book. So in the last session we have done till letter Q, right? So today we are going to start with letter R. Okay? Open your book, take out page number 5656. Yeah. R is in rope, rope. R is in rat, rat. R is in rose, rose. R is in ring, ring. Yes. Next we have got S is in sun, sun. S is in sunflower, sunflower. S is in snow. Snow. S is in soap. Soap. Then we have got T. T is in tap. Tap. T is in tub. Tub. T is in toy. Toy. T is in tiger. Tiger. Then comes RSTU. U is an uncle. U is an umbrella. Umbrella. U is an underwear. Underwear. U is an unicorn. Unicorn. Fine. Next we have got V. V is an violin. Violin. V is an violet. Violet. V is an van. Van. V is an vase. Vase. Fine. Okay. So in page number 57, we do have a rhyme. This is your favorite rhyme. You know all this rhyme, right? Row, row, row your boat. Because we are starting with letter R, we have got this. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. How do you scream? Ah! Like this, right? Okay. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Very good. Next we have got in page number 58, we have things related to letter R. Rabbit. Radish. Rocket. Rat. Rainbow. Okay. Rainbow. Rose. So what you have to do, you have to write capital R and small r. While writing, you should say loudly. Okay. Then name the picture using the words below. What is this? Here you have got a activity. Okay. So here they have already given the words in the help box down. So you have to just identify the picture and you have to copy the spelling from here. See, for example, you have got rope. Where is rope here? Search where is rope. Yeah, that you have to write here. Then we have got butterfly. You already have a spelling of butterfly while writing, but you read loudly so that you can learn it also. Then we have got rhino, we have got bread, we have got ring, we have got shirt. Okay. Complete this. Then we will learn about S in the next video. Till then, I want you to write A to R in your notebooks. Write neatly while writing. Say and write. A, B, C, A, B, B, C, K, D, D. Write in the notebook neatly. Tell Mama to record a video and share it with me. Let's see what we have in our English workbook related to letter R. Okay. So in English workbook, we have done till letter Q, circling letter Q. So in R, we have got a very big R here. Circle the letter R in the given big picture. So actually you can also color it. You can color it and circle only the R's. The small R's you have to identify and you have to circle. Simple, isn't it? So in math course book, last time we have done till number 11 and 12, right? Page number 38 we have already done. So now let's start with page number 39. What comes after 12? It's 13. Okay. So we have got number 13 and number 14 here. So what you have to do? There are so many dice here. We don't know whether they are 13 or more. So what will you do? You have to take a pencil and write the numbers and count. Not just touching and counting. No, you will not learn. You have to write. Yes? Write the number 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be practice and revision for you. Then at the same time, you will remember. The same way we have got anchor symbols here. So what you have to do? You have to count how many symbols are there and write the numbers and say 13 and 14. Let's see what we have in our math workbook related to number 13 and 14. Okay, so once you have done with the counting, take out your English workbook. You have to do writing practice in page number 25. See how we have done for 11 and 12, the same way 13 and 14, but there are few images. See, in page number 13 you have got bells, in page number 14 you have got poems. Don't know whether they are correct or not, so what will you do? You have to count by writing numbers, then you practice 13 and 14. At the same time, practice writing numbers in notebook as well. Okay, fine. So tell mama to record a video and share it with me. Let's see what we have in our EVS book. Yeah, so in EVS, as we are going through seasons theme, so we'll continue with the same. Take out page number 4040. So what you have to do, which of these things do we need when it rains? So there are so many things. So you have to color only the things which we need when it's raining. Okay, we have ice cream, we have goggles, we have got raincoat, umbrella and a sweater. So discuss with your mommy and dada, discuss with your brother or your sister and identify which things we need when it's raining. Only that you have to color. Fine. Okay, take out your Telugu book. See, last time we have done till ja, jada. Yes, or we have done till only cha. Yeah, we have done till chatram. So today we will learn about ja, ja, cha, cha, ja, ja. We will learn about ja and ja. This is ja, jada, jada. Okay, ja, jada, ja, jata, ja, janam, ja, jalleda, ja, janta, ja, jalam. Okay, mommy will teach you better, she knows. Okay, fine. Next, after ja, it's jha, jhasham, jhari, jhankaram. Okay, so these two words you have to read. Chacha, jajha, nya. We will finish nya also, no? Ho jayega. Chacha, jajha, nya. Vijnanamo, prajna. Okay, chacha, jajha, nya. Vijnanamo, prajna. Okay, fine. Let's see what we have in our Hindi book. Yeah, same in Hindi also. Last time we have done till cha se chammach, cha se chhatri. So now take out page number 16. So we will complete with ja. Ja se jag, ja se jag, ja se jal. The same how we have in Telugu. Ja jada, ja jalam. So in Hindi we will have ja jag, ja se jal, ja se jag. Then jha se jharna, jha se jahaj. Fine. Chacha, jajha, any. We don't have the word here, but that comes after chacha, jajha. We have in Telugu. The same way we will have in Hindi. Fine. So keep this book in front of you and read loudly. Okay. So my kiddos, you have got homework in all the subjects. Complete your homework and do the Pongal activity. Okay, and on Pongal, mommy will prepare nice dishes also. Okay, you can enjoy different dishes. Okay, and please don't trouble your mommy and dada. Every day I'm getting complaints. Really, every day one or the other parent and call, ma'am, he is not eating, ma'am, he is not sleeping, ma'am, he is playing on mobile, ma'am, every time he is watching TV. All these bad habits. You're not supposed to do all this. Okay. Be a good boy, be a good girl, complete your homework, complete your Pongal activity, and on Pongal festival you will dress up nicely in traditional attire, right? Tell mama to click a photo and share it with me. Okay? Till then, enjoy your homework, enjoy your festival, and I'll meet you after festival. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.